Hello viewers, thank you for your interest in watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an app that can make you abandon Google Play Store for some times or forever. This is not an illegal app. It's one of the available stores on the internet where you can download Android applications instead of Google Play Store. So the app I'm talking about is Aptoide. So I'm going to open my browser now and then type the application in the Google search feed. Just type Aptoide. So click on go to search for it. So the first link here is the official homepage of the store. So you can see the information there. Download the best games and apps on Aptoide. Find, download, and share APKs. So you can read more by clicking on that link. And then you can also see the information about the store and Wikipedia. So Wikipedia also have information to show you that this is an authentic store, not an illegal store. So apps that are available here, they are not pirated, they are not cracked, they are not malware, they are not virus infected applications. So they are clean and pure applications. So it said Aptoide is a software marketplace application for installing mobile applications which run on the Android operating system. In Aptoide, unlike the Android default Google Play Store, there is no unique and centralized store. So you can read more information about this store from that Wikipedia link. So to download this application, you just need to scroll down and look for the link where you can download the application for free. So you can see APK, Aptoide APK for Android. You can download it from this Softonic link. So click on that link. So it will take you to, as you can see, total download is about 6 million download, and it was dated May 2020 this year. So you can see that it has a lot of users so that are currently using the application. 6 million downloads. So you can see that's a massive. So click on this link and then you see free download, and download it to your phone and install it like normal application. I've already done that. I've downloaded and installed my phone. So let me go to my phone now and then open the application. So I'm going to, you can see Aptoide is already installed here. So I'm going to open the application. So this is the application here. As you can see, I have this tab at the bottom here. So you can see home, editorial, search, stores, my apps. So I click on my apps. You can see all the applications I have on my phone will be available here. Those that need to be updated, you can see there the arrow will point that you need to update. So all these applications, I've downloaded them from Google Play Store. Many of them were downloaded from Google Play Store, not this app. So but here they are also available here, which I can update, meaning that all those applications available on Google Play Store are also available on this store here, so which I can update and also download the new application. So I'm going to show you the advantages of this store over Google Play Store. So let me go to Google Play Store now and show you some now. You can see the first problem I have to encounter here is that background data disabled. In my previous video, I showed how you can reduce data consumption on your phone by making some disabling background connection to the internet. So with this now, Google Play Store is telling me that I cannot use Google Play Store because I've already disabled this background connection. Because this is one of the problem with the Google operating system. So this Google Play services, so they consume a lot of data whenever you put on your data, so unnecessarily. So with this now, it will tell me that I cannot use Google Play Store because I have disabled background connection. So I have to quit, and then I will open Google Play Store again and show you another problem with this Google Play Store. Let me go to my apps and games, and you see the next problem. Here I'm having a low memory on my phone memory, which is the main memory, internal storage. I have like less than 300 MB available. So with this storage available, I cannot update or install new applications using Google Play Store. So Google will tell me that I have to free up space, I have to remove some apps. So this app might be the apps I'm using, so which are very important to me. So Google Play Store will ask me to remove them in order to install new applications. So there will be a problem. So that is the second the second problem with the Google Play Store. So, and these problems, they are not applicable to Aptoide. So the only time that you have problem with Aptoide is when you have less than 100 MB. Unlike this Google Play Store, that you have to up to 500 MB, because before you can install new application or update your previous application. So with this now, I cannot install, I cannot update. So that is first. The second one. Then the third advantage of Aptoide over Google Play Store is that most of the premium application that you have to pay for on Google Play Store, they are available for free on the Aptoide. So let me show you one now. I want to download a particular media, an app for playing videos on my phone. It is called MX Player Pro. MX Player Pro. So this application is a premium application that you cannot get here. You can see MS Pro. So I have to pay to download this application from Google Play Store. So the pro version of this. So though the normal one is freely available, but this Pro, I have to pay for it before I can download it. Now let me go to Aptoide now. As you can see at Aptoide here, I can update my application without a complaint about memory, low memory. So like I said before, the only time you get issue with this store is that when you have less than 100 MB available on your phone. So you can see now, with just a click on this, I can update any of my application from here with just a tap. So it will just update it automatically. So as you can see here, I'll be able to update my applications, and I'll be able to get a premium application for free on this store here. So you can see, let me look for one application that I want to update. So I want to update my WhatsApp Messenger. Just tap on that. As you can see, so it is updating my WhatsApp Messenger immediately. So it will not tell me that my internal storage is low with 300 MB available. So I can still be able to download my update my application, as you can see here. So I have to pause this, so I will continue that later. That's number one. Now I've searched for MS Player on Google Play Store, MS Pro, and I have to pay before I can download it. So let me search for the same application here, MX Player Pro. So and then search for it. As you can see, MS Player Pro is the first available on the search list. So and you have 3 million downloads already. So you can see that many people are already using it. So click on that. As you can see, 3 million download and just 19.6 MB, and then can install. You can see I can install it from here and continue to use it. So that is why I said earlier on that this store will replace Google Play Store entirely on your phone. So and then you might even like to go to Google Play Store to do anything again, because application available on Google Play Store are also available. Even Google services that are available there, like Google's map, every other thing, you can update them here. So as I showed you in my application the other time, so you can see all the Google applications are also available for update here. So which means that you don't need to go to Google Play Store so to download update some of them. So they are also available here that you can update them from this store. Like you have map, so it's one of the Google service application. So you can update them from here and then continue to use this application. So with my background connection disabled, I'm still able to use this app. So like I told you in my previous video, disabling background connection does not mean that application will not connect to the internet. It only means that only the application that you tap or you want to use at the time will use your data when your data is on. So this video has shown us that this Aptoide store can totally replace the Google Play Store on our phone, and it has so many advantages over the Google Play Store as I highlighted. The first one is low memory. When you have less than 500 MB, you cannot download from Google Play Store, but here you can download. You can download. Two, if you have background connection disabled, you cannot use Google Play Store. But here you got with background connection enabled, I can still use this application, or I can still use this store. Then three, premium application, that apps that you have to pay for on Google Play Store, they are available for free on this store here. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, so ensure you like, comment and share. So you have any information as regard this the use of this application, please endeavor to share it in the comment box, so we'll be able to share knowledge to others. So thank you for your time watching this video. I'm going to see you in another tutorial.